You know, when you hear the term AI, your mind probably jumps to it writing poetry or creating some wild piece of art. But there's this whole other side to AI, working quietly behind the scenes, tackling one of the most, let's be honest, tedious parts of our lives, paperwork. So let's take a closer look at how that actually works. Here's probably the easiest way to think about it. For conversations, for brainstorming, for getting ideas out, you've got tools like ChatGPT. But what about the mountains of invoices, receipts, and ID cards that pretty much run the world? Well, that's where a specialized AI like Base64.ai comes in. It's built for one very specific and very crucial job: understanding documents. So what does AI for your paperwork really mean in practice? This brings us to the core technology behind it all, a field that's known as Intelligent Document Processing, or IDP for short.
Now the key phrase here, the real magic, is without needing a template. See, older software, you had to tell it exactly where to look on an invoice for the date or the total amount. IDP is totally different. It reads a document just like you or I would, understanding the context to find what's important no matter how messy or weird the layout is.
Okay, so how does it actually read a document? It really just boils down to three core functions, and they kind of mimic how a person would sort through a big stack of papers.
First, it does the extraction. Basically, it just reads everything on the page. Then, it classifies it. It figures out, hey, am I looking at a passport right now, or is this a W-2 form? And finally, and this is so important, it verifies the information. So it doesn't just read the numbers on an invoice. It checks if the math actually adds up. All right, that's the theory. But where does this technology actually pop up in our day-to-day lives? Let's look at a few real-world examples where this kind of automation is already making a huge difference.
Think about the last time you opened a bank account. Instead of having to sit there and manually type in your name, address, your date of birth, you just take a photo of your driver's license. The app fills everything in for you in like 2 seconds. That's this AI in action, and it makes the whole process way faster and a lot less annoying. For any business, small or large, this is a total game changer. An invoice comes into your email, and instead of a person having to open it, read it, and then punch all the details into QuickBooks, the AI does the whole thing automatically. It grabs the vendor, the amount, the due date, and boom, it's logged for payment. And it's not just for finance stuff. In HR, this same exact technology can instantly pull key data from hundreds of resumes, or verify someone's identity by reading their passport during onboarding. It just frees up the team to focus on, more human work.
Of course, this kind of automation comes at a price. But what's interesting here is that it's not like your typical software subscription. The pricing model is based entirely on how much you actually use it.
So there's a free tier for developers or anyone who just wants to kick the tires and test things out. Then you've got the growth plan, which is the most common. That's where businesses pay somewhere around 10 to 20 cents for each page they process. And then for massive companies with huge volumes, there's a custom enterprise plan.
This all sounds fantastic, but it brings us to what is probably the single most important question of all. I mean, we're talking about passports, financial records, medical forms. Can we really trust an AI with our most sensitive information? No, really, think about that for a second. The entire value of a system like this hinges on the answer to that question. So, how do you build a digital Fort Knox around somebody's personal information? Well, it starts with compliance. Now, these aren't just random acronyms. They are legally mandated gold standards for security. Think of them like seals of approval. SOC 2 is for corporate data, HIPAA is for medical records, and GDPR is for European privacy. To get these, you have to pass some seriously tough, independent audits that prove your security is rock solid. But honestly, this right here is the most crucial part: privacy by design. The whole system is built so it doesn't even have to store your documents. It looks at the image, pulls out the data, sends that data back to you, and then the original file is deleted. You can't leak what you don't have. It's as simple as that. And this leads to a really surprising security benefit. It turns out the AI is often better than a human at spotting fraud. A really good photoshopped fake ID might fool a person, but an AI can detect tiny pixel-level changes and flag the document as a forgery. So in a way, using AI actually makes the whole process more secure. So from banking all the way to hiring, the slow, manual, and kind of boring process of handling paperwork is quietly being handed over to AI. It's making businesses more efficient and in some cases even more secure. This stuff isn't science fiction anymore. It's becoming the new backbone of how offices run. The only question left is, what other routine tasks are next on the list?